Hi, I'm Katie Pace. I am the primary therapist for the young adult PHP program at Sandstone Care.
And I am Lisa Schoenstein, also primary therapist for young adult PHP here at Sandstone Care. Oh, I broke it. Is sex good for mental health?
It is a great way to bond with your partner, release some oxytocin, de-stress.
Yeah, sex is a pretty organic part of human life for a lot of people, for most people. It varies person to person, right? But intimacy and physicality, connection, fun, pleasure are pretty underrated. And we have a culture that's sometimes really weird about sex and normalizing it and talking about it in a meaningful way. So I think I agree, very good for mental health.
How to become a mental health counselor?
Serious answers, right? My experience has been that I had some life experiences that made the impact of having trustworthy adults and trusted professionals to talk to and actually connect with. It was really driven home to me how important that was. I have always enjoyed school. I just like learning. There's a lot of school to become a mental health counselor. There's a lot of self-reflection required. If you're going to be a good mental health counselor, it asks a lot of the person to be able to show up for other people through their challenges or difficulties, encourage other people, work with them, caring about other people, and a lot of school, a lot of time.
Bachelor's degree first, then a master's degree of some sort. Lisa did a licensed professional counselor track. I'm a licensed marriage and family therapist. Could also be a licensed social worker. So check out those 3 different paths, see which one speaks to the most. You will do your master's program, then you will do an internship, then you will graduate, and then you will do
2,000 hours of postgraduate supervision.
Yes.
Before you can be licensed in Colorado.
Yes. All of that. So
how pets help mental health?
Oh, how do they not? I don't care if it's a goldfish or a cat or a bird or a horse or a pig. I mean, chatting and snuggling and same release of oxytocin. Don't tell your partner I said that, but your pet might be able to relax you just in the same way as that connection. Can a minor refuse mental health treatment?
Ooh, that is a good question. It depends. In the state of Colorado, the age of consent for an individual to consent for themselves to receive treatment is age 12. So 12-year-old can roll into a mental health facility and ask for treatment and consent to treatment on their own. They can refuse mental health treatment, depends on where they are. In an outpatient setting, that works differently than if somebody is in a residential setting. One of the things I appreciate the most about Sandstone Care is that we do not use any chemical or physical restraints ever at any point. So I think in the state of Colorado, a minor could refuse mental health treatment either directly or just by sitting in your office like a dead fish and staring at you. How to journal for mental health?
However you want. Whatever form works for you is the best form.
Sometimes people are like, I don't want to write. I'm not that deep. Like, all right, can you make a list? Can you describe something in the room? Can you start journaling by, I can't believe I'm writing in this stupid journal. So that's fine. My name is Lisa Schoenstein, primary care therapist for young adults and PHP. These were some of the most asked questions about mental health from Google. If you want to learn more, go to sandstonecare.com.